Hey guys, so this is Team Blockflow. Hope you guys are doing well. And I'm Nishan, this is Vaibhav, this is Pradyuman, and this is Kaushik. So we are all graduates from IIT Roorkee, met in the first year of college, explored different fields. So I was particularly interested in finance and did internships in risk management and investment banking before meeting Vaibhav, Kaushik, and Pradyuman, who were obviously into tech and doing great things there. So uh, got to know about the field of decentralized finance, explored a lot, and together, we won the best decentralized finance project at the recently concluded Ethereum India conference. And during the process of building, we figured out a lot of problems that goes into building a decentralized application, and that is where the idea of Blockflow was born. So currently, I lead product at Blockflow, talk to customers, and figure out what we need to launch. Up to Vaibhav.
Hey guys, so this is Vaibhav. As John already mentioned, I started my journey into the blockchain space approximately 2 years back. I started as a smart contract developer in Instadap, built some great products. Some key developments there were the Flashstone aggregator. It reached the total Flashstone volume of $2 billion till date. Next was Instadap Lite, $500 million of total value logged in one month after launch. And I also got introduced to the blockchain industry via my friend Pradyuman. So over to him.
Yeah, so I started with Vaibhav as smart contract engineer in Instadap. Before that, I did Summer of Bitcoin under Bitcoin project, which is a JavaScript implementation of Bitcoin. And since then, I have been into this field, mentoring a lot of people, was part of a lot of fellowships, and went deep dive into the security space of Web3, and currently building Blockflow.
Hi guys, I'm Kaushik and I started my journey as a competitive programmer, and I was actually India's top 1000 programmer. Then I interned at a YC startup as an engineer number 2 and currently building Block.
So moving on to the problem space and what we are doing at Blockflow. So to deploy any application, you need to build a backend, and for decentralized applications, all of the data they are using for their UI needs, for their front-end needs or any other needs, is emitted on the blockchain. So this is very different to how Web2 used to work, wherein Uber or a Stripe can have different database backends, but all the decentralized applications share a common data source, that is the blockchain, which is used for their backends. Now the problem lies in retrieval of data. So what happens is that you can get data in either by nodes. So you can obviously not run your own nodes because that is very expensive and costs about 100k a year. Now if you use a node service, now using it for fetching data is slow and expensive. Now that is a major reason why the UX is very bad for Web3 applications. And if you are building your own backend, that requires time, and it is a fairly sophisticated skill. And the target market for Blockflow is dApps and startups, and these are very resource constrained people who want to build innovative applications. So what happens is they are short on time and they're short on money. We want to cut down their developer hours in building backends and want them to focus on their core products, and that is why we want to abstract away backend development.
Blockflow essentially is basically a no-code dashboard wherein for any kinds of your blockchain data needs, you come to our dashboard, do a few clicks, make data pipelines, and you get the APIs. These APIs are fast and reliable and you don't have to worry about the scalability and efficiency of the system. You can focus on the core product, and that's what Blockflow aims to offer.
Now, moving on to some other specifications, was that the one insight we all gathered was that why decentralized applications don't have that same level of adoption as normal applications is because the biggest consumer applications of Web2 era, be it Subway Surfers, be it YouTube, be it Instagram, be it WhatsApp, anything, they have had robust backends. They are fast real-time notifications, social logins, and there are leaderboards based on how your friends are performing. There's a sense of gamification and competitiveness. Now all of this can be built on decentralized applications, but if you use the traditional methods, it is going to cost you an absolute fortune. But with Blockflow, it is going to scale down and not cost a lot. And you can build all of these features that keep the users hooked onto your apps, and they continue to re-engage and engage. So that is the vision to advance the development of decentralized applications with Blockflow.
Thank you.
Thank you.